Hello everyone and welcome to another development update for Shadow Heroes Vengeance in Flames, where you get the behind the scenes access to all the things we're currently working on the game. So yesterday we worked on primarily two different things. The first of them was trying to correct the problem that we were having with the heads up display. Now, we didn't really get it to work, but we did end up doing another thing in the process. Now, we wanted to kind of smooth out the merging process of all the different codes coming together from different revisions. So to do this, we're implementing the stream system inside of Perforce. So for anybody who doesn't know what the stream system is, that's where you have one central block of code, and that's kind of the template. And from there, you have different builds of code along the bottom. These are unstable builds. And what happens is those unstable builds will be able to propagate up to the main line of code, and the main line of code can be propagated down to the unstable build. So it's a two-way street there. So you can work in the unstable builds until they are stable and they become something good, propagate them up. And then anybody else who's working on something else at the same time, they'll be notified saying there's new code here, don't migrate up yet. Now after that, we have other pieces of code that you can set up that are like release versions, so like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, until it's ready to release, that type of thing. They can go above the main branch, which means they will propagate down to the main, but the main won't propagate up. So what this means is you would, after it's ready to release, you would create a new one and it would go up. And any changes that you would make in the new release version would be like a little patch or quick fix, hot fix, that type of thing. They'd propagate down to the main branch automatically, but changes that you make in the main branch won't go up to the release versions because they could be some of the slightly new, stable, not completely implemented code from the lower areas that are the unstable branches. So setting up that whole system is one of the things that we worked on yesterday. And we also worked on setting up some of the new menus. So like menus that we've just kind of been avoiding because we don't need to. We have the command line that we can just type in whatever we want. But we blocked in some of the functionality for the main menu, and we're working on the other menus as well. The idea is to have you guys able to, at least in the very minimum, set it up so you guys can play against each other. So that's the goal right now, and that's kind of where we're at. So that's what we were working on, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Remember to check out our Steam account. Remember to check out our Kickstarter, and leave a comment. Tell us what you guys think. I'll see you guys next time.